Utility Company, Darren speaking.
Hi, my name is Omar and I'm with Staffco Insurance. I'm calling because I'm having some problem with my Outlook. I got a pop-up today saying that my mailbox is full. So hoping to get help with that.
Okay, sounds like we just need to do an archive on your machine there. So if I can get you to bring up your Internet Explorer and we'll get connected to your workstation. Okay, as www.tucsupport.com. And if you're ready, I'll get you the PIN code up here.
Technician would like to view your desktop share control with your keyboard and mouse.
Okay, click OK to that. Okay, any other questions at this time?
No, that would be good. Thank you very much.
All right, well, have a good day then.
You too. Take care. Bye-bye.